Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today is the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of March. And we're giving away one of these items to one of you. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of March. It is the ColourPop Lush Live palette. Looks like this. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. Talks about how to enter this one as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. And I already did the Ipsy Plus for March, and I'll leave that link in the description box as well. That one has a giveaway in it too. Now as far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I love this palette, especially for the spring and all the pastels. And I kind of have these shades on here today. So Ipsy is a beauty subscription, makeup, skincare. In the Glam bag, you get a makeup bag as well as 5 mainly deluxe eye samples. Every once in a while, they will throw in a full-size item. And the bag does cost $13. I do have a code in the description box down below. If you're interested in checking out Ipsy, it'll help you out, save you a little bit of money, and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. The code is just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. I'm gonna go get my glasses. This print is very, very, very small. So here's the bag for the month. It does say, who runs the world? You do. This month's swipe on your boldest lip and conquer every goal like a boss, whether it's sticking to a self-care routine or kickstarting the next big thing. It does say power moves here. Has a little Ipsy tag here. And then here's what the inside looks like. So don't forget, one of these items we're giving away to one of you. Throughout this video, you will see letters pop up on the screen. They'll spell out the secret word that you're going to need to know. So the first thing in here is from Firma Beauty. It is a 202 Angled Blender Pro. It does retail for $12.99. The unique shape, it's both soft and fluffy, but with an angled edge. Makes blending a breeze, whether you're doing precision work like nose contour or buffing out concealer or eyeshadow. This brush has you covered. Tip, the synthetic bristles, they're vegan and cruelty-free, work for both powder and cream. I do have, I think, 2 other firmer brushes. This one is my clean one. Little face brush, and I absolutely love it. That's really, really, really soft. So I did pick this one because I absolutely love this mascara. It is a Superhero Elastic Stretch from IT Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara Mini. Want long, lifted, define, and stronger lashes. This go-to size mascara will instantly lengthen your lashes while building them up. It's made with an exclusive elastic stretch technology and super powered biotin and peptides to help strengthen, polymers to lift, and collagen to help plump. To start the base of your lashes and wiggle from roots to tip. This is a deluxe eye sample. The full size does retail for $25. Kind of looks like this. And then here's what it looks like. I really, really do like this mascara. From the Cream Shop is a Jelly Milk Double Cleanser. This isn't one of those face washes that leaves your skin feeling tight and thirsty. The conditioning formula uses whitewater, lily, green tea, and rice enzymes to gently cleanse your skin and maintain hydration levels for the next level glow. Massaging the skin and turn it into a makeup and building, removing milk. Rinse well, pat skin dry. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $10. From Winky Luxe is a perfect under eye concealer. It is in Fair. Dark circles no more. This creamy full coverage concealer covers discoloration and diffuses shadows, so you look instantly more awake. Plus it's packed with hydrating and plumping ingredients like hyaluronic acid and collagen to help smooth the look of crow's feet too. Tip, warm up a small amount between your fingertips and then gently tap it around your eyes. This is a Deluxe Eye Sample. The full size does retail for $16. From Trellis Beauty is a Grateful Soul eyeshadow quad. Meet your new go-to eyeshadow palette. Each of the matte and shimmer shades in this quad are inspired by Becky G's Latinx heritage, plus they're infused with softening Mexican blue agave nectar, so they glide on like butter with zero fallout. Tip, swipe shadows alone or mix and match for a custom eye look. It does This is a deluxe sample. The full size does retail for $30. Ooh, these shades in here are really, really, really pretty. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one though. If I'm going to keep it, give it away, so I don't want to quite swatch it just yet. So I do like that there were more makeup items in this one compared to ones they've done in the past. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So let's give away that cleanser. I've kind of got a cleansing routine and I'd much rather have one of you guys try this. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed to the channel, and also put on it that secret word. You can get bonus entries, but only fill out that form once because there's a spot to mark on the form if you did do the bonus entries. How you get bonus entries, if you go follow me over on Instagram, that handle is BeautyAmaB. That'll get you one entry. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB followed by number 1. That'll give you another bonus entry. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through April 8th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on April 13th, what we'll do is I'll take from the Google Forms your first name, first initial, and if you have bonus entries, I'll put those all into the computer. The computer spins around, the computer picks it, so don't ask to win. And everybody can see who the winner is. As soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't set up an email distribution list. I don't sell your information. I don't do anything like that. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye.